no outline here. And that's important for when I have to do the scaling up and down, because what we're doing is we're scaling this image up and down. And if I have an outline, then I also am forced to scale the outline up and down. One of the ways around that, though, it just occurred to me, here, let's fix that in this spec here. Let's grab this and outline, turn the outline off, but we'll duplicate this, and we'll say shape fill, and we'll grab the outline color from here. We'll move it back, and we'll make it a little bigger. Although I can't quite see. Let me undo this a second here. Let me ungroup them, I mean. Let's zoom in here and make it just a little bigger. Send it to the back. Perfect. That's what we're looking for. So we want to do, so if you want to do vector-based, outline like we've got here, you want to really do it with two solid shapes. That's the easiest way to do it. So let's center both of those. And I think that feels pretty good to me. Let's group all of those. That's button 1. Let's kill this, and we're going to just reduplicate this one, drag it down over here, and do that. That's button 2. All right, so let's put these in. Now, the way I was doing this is I was using the resources here to do it. So I think I'm going to just do the same thing. Will XAML hot reload allow me to add resources? Let's see. Copy that to clipboard, pasting it in here. CodeRush says, oh, you're pasting a vector graphic. I can work with that, and it turns it into a view box for you. Really sweet feature of CodeRush. Okay, so we're going to call this button. And which one did I copy? It's the flip vertical. Like that. So we've given it a key. I need a mouse down. What is it not like? No, not supported by hot reload. Okay. That's all right. I'm not going to worry about it. We'll close out of here. We'll do it like this. Since we're here in this space, though, since we're in this space, meaning we've stopped running, let's add both buttons. So there's my mouse down, my new event handler. Let's go in here. Let's give it a name. I want to call it button flip vertical mouse down. Paste. There we go. There's my button flip vertical. And now let's add my button flip horizontal. So just copy that to the clipboard. Come back over here inside the XAML. Paste it in. Let's add the key for it, XK. Template gives me this. And we're going to call this button, BTN flip horizontal. Like that. Let's give it an on click. Mouse down. Oops. And then rename. There it is right there. So now we've got these two pieces here and here. Certainly Dev is saying hi to Will Bennett and Jetsam. Are they lurking? Did you spot those lurkers out there? Certainly Dev's asking how you guys doing. How are you guys doing? Everybody good today? Ready to try to solve some problems with the code? Caught! Jetsam says caught. You're caught, Surly Dev. We saw you. You were on our 6. Oh, sorry, I said Surly Dev. Jetsam. Jetsam is in the house. So glowing. Look at that. So nice. Welcome. Glad to have you here. Always got to duck when that plane comes in. Flying a little low. Okay. Now we got to figure out how to flip it. What's going on with my rotate left? Ooh, I think I know what's happening. I'm changing a property. When I change the property, if it's not equal to it, I set the image to null. And then the next time I need the image, I rebuild it. I call create image, passing in the angle and the scale. All right, what's going on with scale? I wrote this code like 2 days ago, I think, and scale transform. Okay, cool. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, good, good, good. I'm wondering if I really need to pass in these as parameters, because I was kind of, what is this? Is this going to be, because I think this could be static. I almost think this is a staticable thing, and if it's static, it shouldn't be here. File name. I can make that a parameter. All right, let's do this. Let's also do this. And can I select that and hit Shift Enter? Yeah, look at that. That's so sweet. CodeRush's duplicate selection. If I just selected that, it sees that it's part of a whole variable declaration. And then I'll show this one more time so you can see this. I want to create scale Y, so I select just the X, hit Shift Enter, and then type in the Y. That's all I have to do. All right, so now we're going to pass in scale for both of those, like that. So now I've got those two, and now create image. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to pop it into image utils, like that. And let's go declare it. And let's paste that code, or actually we can just do this. To get it all, looks like I got it all. And scale Y, we're gonna pop that there, okay? All right, so my theory is if I put a negative number in for scale Y, that scale transform will work and flip it the other way. That's my theory. I don't know, but let's see if I hit F1 on that. That gets me what I want. Yeah, look at that. That's what I'm looking for right there. Negative values flip the scaled object horizontally. Sweet. Okay. So now we can flip. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a Boolean property. So I'm going to type in PB for property type Boolean, and we're going to call this flip horizontally, like that. And I'm going to come in here, hit the coder's key, and choose introduce setter guard clause right here, which basically just says, hey, if everything is the same, no changes, we're going to get out. Because I want to add some code here that if we're changing it, I want to come in and say image, lowercase image equals null, like that. There we go. Okay, let's flip horizontally. Let's select that whole thing and duplicate it, and now make a flip vertically, like that. And let's take our flip horizontally, duplicate that, and there CodeRush goes in and fills the flip vertically. Cool, cool, cool. Fred's back on screen. Still good, Fred? Yeah, Fred's good. Okay. Fred, how was your, you got any plans for this weekend, Fred? Okay. Maybe you and I should hang out and, no? No, not interested. Okay, fine, Fred. Fine, Fred. Okay, so now we got flip horizontally, flip vertically. These are going to default to false. I'm okay with that. If we change them, we are going to set image to null.